On this episode of the show, I want to talk about why estate planning shouldn't be thought of as death planning. Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show. Hey everybody, welcome to episode 42 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I am Christopher Small. I'm the host of the show. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and I am excited to be here with you today to talk about a topic that is near and dear to my heart, and that is not thinking of estate planning as death planning. And I want to start this out by asking you to think back to when you were a kid, or when you were just out of high school or just out of college, sort of around that time. Think about what you were really good at. Think about what you were really interested in, whether it's sports, maybe it was like music, maybe art, maybe video games, maybe it was comic books, whatever it is. Think about what that thing is. Now, I want you to think about what life would be like if you could pursue that passion. And I don't just mean sit in your house and play video games all day. That's not what I'm talking about. What I mean is pursue professional gaming, right? Or think about whatever those things are that you could do. If you're into sports, hire a coach, a personal coach, to really teach you and try to get you as good as possible. If you're an artist, the same thing. Go to the best art school. Whatever that is, think about what your life would be like if you had the opportunity to pursue that passion, okay? Now, that feeling that you have right now, you can give that feeling to your family. Right? You can give that feeling to your kids, you can give that feeling to your grandkids, to your great-grandkids, and generations on down the line. That's what estate planning means to me. That's why estate planning does not mean death planning. Estate planning really means you have the opportunity to create boundless opportunity for future generations. So it's an aspirational thing. It's an inspirational thing. You also have the ability to really craft and mold future generations. You have the ability to emphasize those values, those traditions, and those things that are important to you for future generations. Not in a way that's controlling either, by the way. In a way that's empowering, in a way that promotes success. Okay, that is what estate planning can be all about. That's why I love estate planning, and that is why when people come into my office, I'm excited to see them. And when they say, I had some clients in my office today, and they said, I just hate to think about this stuff. I hate to make these decisions. And I said, look, just think and imagine that you are making decisions that are going to affect lives, well into the future after you're gone. So you don't have to necessarily think about your death, right? We're all going to die. All of us. I've already done a video on that, right? We're all going to die. We can't get away from that. We don't know when or how. But what we can do is really pass on our experiences, our lessons, what's important to us, to everyone, and give future generations boundless opportunities. And I'll talk more about in the future exactly how that's done, the nuts and bolts, but it's easier than you think, and you don't have to be rich right now to make that happen, okay? You can do it. It does take a little bit of money, it takes a little bit of planning, it takes a little bit of effort, and if you aren't already the beneficiary of something like this, then you're going to have to be the first one, right? You are going to have to make the decision, make the sacrifice to make this happen. So I hope you're up for it, and I hope that you pay attention to future videos, because this is something that can be not life-changing. It can be generational changing. You could be starting something huge for your family. All right, so that's why I don't think of estate planning as death planning. I hope you don't either now. I'm Christopher Small. the owner of CMS Law Firm. If you have questions, let me know. Chris at cmslawfirm.com. You can call 206-659-1512. Leave a comment below, wherever this is, YouTube, Facebook, our website, anywhere. Let me know. If you have questions, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to talk to you. And I can't wait to help you create these generational opportunities for your family.